Openload co-pair, how to fix olpair.com, openload.co, and pair errors on Kodi and FireStick. These errors occur when you try to stream content from sources that require pairing with their servers for authorization and verification. Here are some detailed working tips for fixing these errors. The first tip is to pair your IP address with the source server. This is the easiest and most recommended way to fix the errors. To do this, you need to follow these steps. Open a web browser on your device and go to the URL shown on the Kodi error message, such as https://olpair.com or openload.co/pair. On the website. You will see a CAPTCHA box that says "I'm not a robot." Click on it and wait for the verification to complete. After the verification, you will see a message that says "Pairing successful." This means that your IP address is now paired with the source server for 4 hours. You can now go back to Kodi and stream the content without any errors. You need to repeat this process every 4 hours or whenever you see the error message again. The second tip is to disable the hosters with CAPTCHAs. This is a permanent solution for the admin that you want to disable the pairing requirement. To do this, you need to follow these steps. Open Kodi and go to the admin that you want to fix, such as Exodus Redux, Yoda, etc. On the admin's main menu, go to Tool Settings, Playback. On the playback settings, scroll down and find the option that says Hosters with CAPTCHAs. Turn it off by clicking on it. Click OK to save the changes. This will disable the hosters that require pairing from showing up on the admin streams list. You will only see the hosters that do not require pairing. The third tip is to configure the URL resolver. This is an advanced solution that requires changing some settings on the URL resolver add-in, which is a dependency for many Kodi add-ons. To do this, you need to follow these steps. Open Kodi and go to Settings System Add-ons Manage Dependencies. On the list of dependencies, find and click on Resolve URL. On the URL resolver settings, go to Configure Universal Resolvers. On the Universal Resolver settings, scroll down and find the source that you want to fix, such as Openload or olpair. Click on it and change the priority value to 100 or higher. This will lower the priority of the source and make it less likely to show up on the streams list. Click OK to save the changes. This will configure the URL resolver to filter out the sources that require pairing.